Hey guys, this is Caleb with Priority Survival, and today I'll be showing you my EDC fire kit. I got this idea from Chris Thorne. It's kind of like a challenge thing, see what you can fit in there. Anyway, it was not part of the video, but I'm gonna tag 3 people to do this with me as well at the end of the video. So let's get into this fire kit. On top, I have one of those Everstrike matches. They work pretty well. You just put some lighter fluid in there. You have a ferro rod on the side. At the top, I have some fire assist magnesium capsules. I do plan on getting the bottle of 30 and adding some more of those in here. If you want to see these being used, you can go check out my review of the Stanford Outdoor Gear Fire Boss. It's a survival bug out bag fire kit. I'll leave a link to go to that in the description. Also, I will leave a link for Chris Thorne's channel, Drop Forge Survival, as well. Then I have a fast fire, which is basically a bigger version of wet fire. This burns for 10 to 12 minutes, or if you break it up into 8 pieces, you get 2 to 3 minutes off of those as well. This originally came in the kit. This is the UST fire kit, and this is the, what model is this? It's not the Strike Force, it's the smaller version, whatever that is. Some napalm fire tinder from Lightning Strike, some tinder quicks, some more tinder quicks, 2 sticks of fat wood, and 2 waxed cotton rounds. If y'all guys think I missed out on anything or should add some more stuff, I do want to make sure it's packed all the way full. But just leave some suggestions down in the comments. The people I am tagging for this are Cool Kid Survival, Nathan4071, and Great American Survival.